Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because today I get to review this big boy. I purchased this from Shoppers Drug Mart. However, you can purchase it online on Estée Lauder. This cost me $115 with the purchase of $150 worth of Estée Lauder products. It is $800 worth of products in this box, and I am just super excited to get started. Let's dive in. First things first, look at this case. Oh my goodness. I am just delighted for this. It is very velvety. It is beautiful with these gold zippers. It's got a red bow on the top. Just stunning. Now let's talk about what's inside. The Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. This is a highly acclaimed skincare product known for its transformative benefits. The serum has been a favorite for decades, and it's been continuously updated with the latest skincare technology to ensure it remains at the forefront of beauty routines worldwide. Packed with hyaluronic acid, this serum provides intense hydration, helping to plump and smooth the skin. It's designed to repair the visible effects of skin damage and signs of aging, making your complexion look more youthful and radiant. It targets multiple signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and loss of firmness. The advanced formula helps boost the skin's natural renewal process, revealing a more youthful appearance. With regular use, you'll notice an improvement in your skin's overall radiance. It helps even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots, giving you a brighter, more luminous complexion. Advanced Night Cleansing Gel with 15 amino acids. This is a luxurious, gentle cleanser designed to elevate your nighttime skincare routine. Infused with amino acids naturally found in the skin's protective layers, this cleanser helps balance and support the skin's barrier. This cleanser effectively removes makeup and impurities without stripping or disturbing the skin's moisture barrier or acid mantle. This high-performance formula transforms into a fluffy, soft foam that deeply yet gently cleanses your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and balanced. It leaves the skin feeling soft, comfortable, and hydrated, preparing it for the next steps in your skincare routine. This is dermatologist tested, formulated to be non-drying, non-stripping, and suitable for all skin types. Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream. This is a luxurious multi-action moisturizer designed to visibly transform the skin and reveal a more youthful, radiant appearance. This powerhouse cream is formulated with potent ingredients to address multiple signs of aging and improve the skin's overall texture and tone. The advanced formula helps to enhance the skin's natural elasticity, resulting in a firmer, more lifted look. Enriched with powerful hydrating ingredients, this cream deeply moisturizes the skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and supple. It works to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a more youthful, plumped appearance. Infused with moringa extract, the creams help to boost the skin's radiance, revealing a brighter, more even complexion. The inclusion of hibiscus extract and collagen-boosting peptides nourishes the skin and supports its natural renewal process. Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream Synchronized Multi-Recovery. This is a revolutionary eye treatment designed to target multiple signs of aging and fatigue around the delicate eye area. This powerful gel cream combines advanced technology with effective ingredients to discover visible results, leaving your eyes looking brighter, more youthful, and revitalized. The gel cream is formulated to smooth and diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, providing a more youthful look. It works to reduce dark circles and brighten the eye area, making your eyes look more awake and refreshed. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this treatment provides intense hydration, helping to plump and smooth the skin around the eyes. The formula is enriched with antioxidants that help protect the skin from environmental damage and oxidative stress. It helps to reduce puffiness around the eyes, giving you a more rested and revitalized appearance. This also provides all-day hydration to maintain a smooth, supple texture. Re-Nutriv Intense Smoothing Hand Cream. This hand cream is the epitome of luxury for skincare for your hands. This rich, nourishing formula is specifically designed to deliver intense hydration and rejuvenation, leaving your hands feeling soft, smooth, and looking youthful. Packed with deeply moisturizing ingredients, this hand cream provides long-lasting hydration, ensuring your hands stay soft and supple throughout the day. It works to smooth and refine the texture of your skin, helping to diminish the appearance of fine lines and dry patches. Limited edition Trick of the Eyes Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette includes 6 shades: Levitating, Wild Card, Golden Hour, Initiative Rose, Secret Powers, et voila! This set also came with 2 full-size limited edition lipsticks: Red Velvet, a rich and vibrant red with a cool undertone and cream finish, and Strictly Confidential, mauve with a warm undertone and cream finish. You will also receive 2 full-size limited edition lip glosses: Pink Persuasion, a pinky mauve with a cream shine finish, and Beneath the Sheen, a golden peach with a cream shine finish. And you get a full-size Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volumizing Mascara. Thank you all so much for watching. I absolutely loved doing this video. I loved getting all these products. Who doesn't love Estée Lauder? I know I do. I already have the full version of the Advanced Night Repair and I'm absolutely loving it. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. If any of you are new here and haven't done so yet, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can join my beauty community. Also, if you guys are on social, I am on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, all under Corinne McCammon Beauty. So if you guys are on those platforms, come on over and give me a follow, maybe a like, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, beauties.